Hi, can you answer some very simple questions about your child? Are you satisfied with your child's education? Are you happy with your child's intellect? Are you sure your child would stand out of the crowd? If the answer is yes, I congratulate you. But if the answer is no, even if you have slightest doubt, then my friend, you need to watch this video till the end. We have to not only create an ecosystem but also provide our children proper training right from their childhood. A training which enables them to convert future challenges into opportunities. Now this is where we, Tez Dimag, comes into the picture. As our name Tez Dimag suggests, we have created a platform for the children from 6 years to 14 years of age, where we enable them to increase their intelligence quotient, sharpen their mind using scientifically proven methods, expand their thought process, learn to learn using smart techniques, and recall the same when required, thus enabling them to forget, improve their understanding of concepts, realize their real potential to perform, resulting in increased self-confidence, understand their interests, and pursue the same in the most effective way with the help of our research-based, scientifically designed holistic courses. Let's move forward and see what we do. We are a professionally managed company that focuses on building and nurturing talent. Our team of experts conducted a deep research on a child's journey and the challenges of current education system in our country. Based on their research, they designed a robust 2-year course of 8 levels of 3 months each. Each level is carefully designed keeping in mind a child's need for the future. A child has to take a 3 hours activity-based session just once a week, which on an average makes just 4 classes a month. We conduct multiple intelligence tests to study the mind and behavior patterns of a child. Our main focus is in building creativity, imagination and innovation in a child. So we combine Abacus with Vedic maths and blended it with NLP and memory science. Since mathematics is the base for most of the subjects, we designed its curriculum in a way that it relieves the child from the pressure of the academics. Our teaching methods include stories, games, problem-solving activities, puzzles, creative assignments and storytelling, and a lot more. Let's move on and see how we do what we do. Our brain consists of 2 halves, left brain and right brain. Our left brain is verbal, analytical, orderly, and is better at reading, writing and computations. It is connected to logic, sequencing, linear thinking, mathematics, facts and words. Whereas the right brain is visual, intuitive and creative. So it is connected to imagination, intuition, arts, rhythm, non-verbal cues, feelings and holistic thinking. Our courses are designed in a way that they activate both the sides of the brain. As a result, the child becomes not only logical but creative too. For left brain, our courses include Abacus, Vedic maths, handwriting improvement and STEM, which is short for science, technology, engineering and mathematics. For right brain, our courses include robotics, memory science, neuro-linguistic programming, which is NLP, and midbrain development. Apart from these 8 courses, our program also includes coding and app development, which could be a great career opportunity in the coming future. In our program, we also assess a child's inborn talents by checking the dominant side of the brain. For example, a child with dominance of left brain will be good in the fields related to logic, calculation and analytics. And with the right side dominance, the child would be more artistic and creative. By knowing their capabilities in advance, we can help them to create a path for themselves in accordance with their talents. We do all this by DMIT, which is short for Dermatoglyphics Multiple Intelligence Test. It is a scientific study of fingerprint patterns which helps in understanding the potential and personality traits of a child. It is approved and being used in more than 150 countries. For more information, please call at our board line number and get your child registered at your nearest center. For those who are interested in joining hands with us, can also call on the same number. Remember, parenthood is not just about raising children, but raising them in a right way by helping them to develop their intellect. Thank you for watching the video. I am CP Singh, your friend from Team Tez Dimag. Goodbye.